The Google Pixel 8 Pro will be released in about 4 months and we already know a lot about it. We have seen how it looks in Google's official video and we know some of its features like temperature sensor to measure body temperature. There is a new leak confirming that Google won't repeat the same mistake as with the Pixel 7 Pro, which is great news for improving the user experience. A few years ago, Google introduced the Tensor chipset, which allowed them to take full advantage of their AI expertise and create an experience that was not possible with the standard Snapdragon chip. However, while the AI performance was excellent, the CPU performance was disappointing. Last year's Tensor G2 was even worse, falling behind Qualcomm's latest CPUs. This was mainly because Google used older cores while the competition used the latest ones. Thankfully, it seems that Google has learned from this mistake. The upcoming Tensor G3 chip in the Pixel 8 Pro will rival the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 found in the phones like S23 Ultra. It will feature the latest cores including Cortex X3 for powerful tasks, A715 for medium tasks, and A510 for less demanding tasks. In fact, the Tensor G3 will even have one extra mid-core, giving it an edge over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's 8 cores. In terms of the graphics, the chip will use the Mali G715 Immortales with 10 cores, enabling ray tracing for realistic shadows and reflections. Additionally, it will have an improved TPU for better AI performance. The Pixel 8 Pro will also boost UFS 4.0 memory, which is twice as fast as the previous UFS 3.1 version found in the Pixel 7 Pro. This means faster uploading and improved performance for resource-intensive tasks like video editing and recording at higher frame rates. Moreover, UFS 4.0 offers 46% better efficiency, resulting in the improved battery life. Regarding wireless charging, the Pixel 8 won't have an upgrade, remaining at 12 watt. However, we might see improvements in the wireless charging with its larger counterpart, the Pixel 8 Pro. For the latest upgrades on the Pixel 8 Pro, be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.